We've helped rank over 900 products in Amazon on the first page. And in this video, I'm going to share the exact blueprint that we use. In 2025, Amazon's A9 algorithm is going to evolve faster than ever. Today, I'm revealing proven ranking strategies that will actually work. And it's all based on data from over 300 case studies. They're well-tested strategies that will work in 2025's competitive Amazon landscape. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with something that a lot of people get wrong. The A9 algorithm is not Google's younger brother. It's actually a lot more interesting. In 2025, A9 is going to have one single purpose, and that's matching buyers with products they're probably going to purchase. Here's what makes Amazon so unique. Every search has buying intent. For example, if someone just searched like Bluetooth speaker into Google, they may be looking for reviews, comparisons, or just general information. But when they make that same search on Amazon, they're probably ready to buy. And this is why Amazon doesn't struggle with search intent problems like other platforms do. While Google broadcasts its changes to its algorithm, Amazon keeps A9 very much under the radar. And this makes it easier for us to reverse engineer what exactly is going on. And so in 2025, A9's ranking signals are going to fall into these two categories. What you can control, so your listing's code and content, and what your customers can control, so how they behave and interact with your product. And here's what most sellers miss. While we can optimize for both of these elements, sales are 90% of the equation that will end up moving the needle. They track every click, every purchase, and every customer interaction. So this means they don't need a complex algorithm to work out what's relevant. They know what converts based on the real data. And perhaps one of the biggest updates for 2025 is that more than ever, Amazon is prioritizing mobile optimization. And so your listings need to be optimized for mobile-first browsing. And the final change we're seeing for 2025 is that A9 is prioritizing quality over manipulation. A9 is getting smarter and smarter at detecting and rewarding authentic listings. You need to focus on offering real value rather than quick little optimization tricks. So now you understand how A9 thinks. Let's now explore how to optimize our listings for 2025. Now, before you even touch a single listing, we need to lay some groundwork. First up is competition analysis. And here are 4 key questions that you need to answer. Question 1, can we improve our current product? Study both the positive and the negative of similar products. Look for patterns like what are they missing? What problems keep coming up? Question 2 is what do the market numbers say? For established brands, you're looking for clear profit potential. You need to be thinking, what's the core competition for our product? Cash flow budgeting is going to become more important than ever. Why? Because ranking takes time and investment, and you need to know if you can sustain the journey. Next, calculate your cost to gain traction. Don't just look for the obvious costs. Factor in your PPC costs, your inventory requirements, your marketing budget, and then optimization costs. If you're in a competitive market, you might need significant resources to make an impact. Here's what we'll be using for research in 2025. Helium 10 for market analysis, and then viral launch for validation. Develop a proof of concept before starting your campaign. You need to be 100% confident that your product is just as good, if not better, than your competitors. And it's not just about features, it's about differentiation. And finally, you need to create a detailed buyer persona. You need it crystal clear about who you're selling to, what are their purchase triggers, and what problems are they trying to solve. The answers to these questions will shape everything from your listing copy to your targeting strategy. So once you've nailed and completed the research, now you can start optimizing your listings. So now for the main course of Amazon SEO. We're going to run through the core elements that can either make or break your listing success in Amazon in 2025. Each element is crucial, and so we're going to show you how to optimize for them all. And there's only one place to start, which is the title. Put your primary keywords first, and these are those with the highest search volume. You need to include a CTR element, like what will make people want to click your product. Add your brand name, and stay under 200 characters. And do not, I repeat, do not keyword stuff your title. In 2025, this is dead. So that's your title. Now for the bullets. The bullets are where you sell the product. In fact, we've seen increases from 15 to 25% just by rewriting the bullets. And so here's the formula. You need to lead with the key benefits, explain why these benefits matter, include value adds and bonuses, weave your keywords in naturally, and add trust elements. Next up is enhanced branded content. And if you aren't running this already, this is going to be a game changer. Our data shows that with proper EBC, you can increase your conversions between 7 and 15%. So from our analysis, here's what works. Tell your brand story first, visually show the product features, answer common questions that people have, use multiple scenarios, and again include trust signals. The next core element to think about are your back-end search terms. These got a huge overhaul a few years ago, but in 2025, here's what's going to work. You need to prioritize long-tail keywords, keep to a 250 character limit, and so make sure that every character you use counts. Focus on terms that aren't in your visible listing. Next up is images. Now the requirements are strict, but they're simple. Keep to a white background, keep up to 1280 pixels on the longest side of the image, and ensure the quality allows easy zooming. But what most people will list is benefit-driven imagery, just like with the EBC. Visually show how they can benefit from purchasing your product. And now for the final core element, which are reviews. Now these will be an indirect ranking factor in 2025, but they're still crucial. And so here's what's going to work. Strategic review generation, respond quickly to negative reviews, and showcase the positive reviews in your EBC. Now we must warn you, do not manipulate reviews. A9 is getting smarter all the time. And like we said earlier, they will punish you if they catch you manipulating or gaming the system. Now that your listing is optimized, let's talk about what really moves the needle, which is sales velocity. The brutal truth about Amazon SEO in 2025, all that optimization we just went through, even if you optimize perfectly, nothing will matter unless you have sales. And what most sellers miss is that not all sales are created equal. In fact, here's the hierarchy of what will actually move the rankings. The best sale is a full-priced, keyword-focused sale. Second is a full-priced PPC sale. Third is external traffic sales. And fourth is discounted product sales. So what does this all mean? Well, it means in terms of your marketing strategy, you need ROI-focused marketing. Don't just throw everything at the wall and see what sticks. Your golden ticket will be organic search leading to full price sales. And here's what that looks like in action. A customer simply searches for your keyword, they find your product organically, and they complete the purchase at full price. And this is the most powerful ranking signal on Amazon because it tells the algorithm this is exactly what the customer was searching for and what they wanted to buy. You also need to time your sales velocity. You want consistent, continuous growth, not just like huge spikes here and there that will make Amazon a bit suspicious. So let's now talk about future-proofing your success. Now, what if I told you that Amazon was about to undertake its biggest change since 2018? Amazon is going to follow Google's path of quality. Here's what's going to change. Low quality listings will be filtered out. Broken English will be penalized. Fake reviews will be aggressively targeted. And user experience will matter more than ever. And these are the reasons why you'll need to focus on genuine quality rather than manipulation. Now, one fake review isn't going to be a big problem, but if it becomes a pattern, that's when it'll start triggering alerts. Amazon's going to be a lot more focused on customer satisfaction, authentic engagement, and long-term seller performance. And so the key is going to be creating real, genuine customer relationships, rather than just trying to game the system. Just how Google's major updates changed SEO forever, Amazon's shifting towards quality is going to reshape the marketplace. And those that adapt now will thrive later on. And so now you have the complete blueprint for Amazon's success in 2025. Head over to AmazonSEOconsultant.com and check out our case studies, and you'll see how we've ranked over 900 products to the first page using these exact strategies. Hit subscribe for regular Amazon optimization tips, and I'll see you in the next video.